To sell a ticket on Ticketswap, start by opening your web browser and typing in the website's URL. Once you've arrived at the site, you'll see that it's a resale platform that promises a safe and fair experience. You can log into your account, and if you don't have one, you can create it by following a step-by-step guide. After logging in, you'll be presented with various options, including the ability to view your tickets, listings, and profile, as well as a help center and a shopping cart. You can also search for events, artists, venues, or cities. To sell tickets, click on the Sell Tickets button, which will take you to a page where you can select the event for which you want to sell tickets. Choose the event, and then follow the prompts to fill out the necessary information. The process is straightforward, and once you've completed the steps, you'll be able to view an overview of your ticket sale.